So these are very popular headphones right now, and part of that reason is the sound quality on these and the sub 1000 rupees price tag. So I've used it for like 2 weeks, and this is what I think of it. So the Anti headphones are priced at $999, and at this price there are headphones, but they are not quite like it. The first thing that you check in a headphone is the overall build quality and feel in the hand, and I have to say here, I'm not happy with that. The build is plastic and the materials used for the headband seem to be very cheap. There are adjustable headbands on both sides, and the wire that comes with it is not a flat wire, so it gets curled up if you don't handle it properly and if you're a person like me. The ear cushions are soft and comfortable, but they have this little ear gap at the back which makes them kind of loose on the head, and you often end up adjusting the headbands, which is a big factor when it comes to using these headphones for a long period of time. It comes in various different color options, so that's there. There are also no controls on the headphones, so you always have to reach out for your device every time you want to change the track or raise the volume or do any of that stuff. Now there are headphones in a price range very similar to this, which have a much better build and much better feel in the hand. So design wise, I'm really not impressed. Now at this point of time, it seems that I'm making a rant video about these, but as I said, these are very popular headphones, so popular that they have a rating of 4.1 on Amazon. So why are these so popular? The big answer to that is the sound quality output from these. They are really good. Now I have listened to headphones with the pricing similar to these, but they really top the game in here. They have excellent bass, great treble balance, and overall the sound quality from these headphones is really good. Now a true fact, the other day I was listening to one of my favorite artists, the Alta, and there were some tones and notes that I hadn't even noticed before. That really made me appreciate the value of these, especially considering the price point of a sub 1000 rupees price tag. Now they do have shortcomings. They don't have noise cancellation, they also don't have microphones on them, but all of this is covered by the sound output. So should you buy these? I would say if you're into like the design and build and features and stuff, not recommended, but if you're into high sound quality, highly recommended. So that's been it. That is my take on the Skullcandy Anti headphones, and thanks for watching. Thumbs and subs if you love this, share this with 3 of your friends, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.